Welcome to the Botanical Garden of the Technical University in Delft, which keeps 7,000 kinds of technical plants. These plants can be visited by the general public, but are also used in scientific research. Most visitors are not aware of the fascinating projects that are going on in the garden.
De huidige Botanische tuin, daar zijn al deze prachtige projecten wel van afkomstig. En je kan ook sommige dingen, als je het heel goed kijkt, in bordjes zien. Maar echt voor een breed publiek en voor kinderen zichtbaar maken, dat is op dit moment nog niet aanwezig.
PlanTU is a cooperation between the Science Center and the Botanical Garden. It will teach children about the fascinating world behind the plants. At arrival, they receive their PlanTU days, which lets them become a junior researcher for the TU Delft. They log in and make their account complete with a picture. Now their search begins. A virtual researcher will give them assignments which will lead them through the garden. During their journey, they can take pictures and use the tools in the PlanTU decks to discover the garden. At several places in the garden, information screens will be available to teach the children more. They can use this information to answer questions from the virtual researcher. They can also get an assignment for which they have to do an experiment. This is possible in the lab, which is provided by the Science Center. Here they will get guidance from a real researcher. To collect a specific plant, the PlanTU deck receives information from the plant sign through an RFID tag. The children can also get an assignment to find a specific plant in the garden through hints that are given by the virtual researcher. Once they find it, they can use an RFID tag to collect it. When an assignment is done, the virtual researcher will appear with the next assignment. This way, the children will help several projects until it is time to go. When they arrive at home, they can continue their research on the website. They can log in and access their own account, where they can see the pictures they have made and the scores of their friends. They can also continue with projects they helped in the garden by growing the plants they collected and turning them into useful projects through mini-games. To complete the whole product, they may need to go back to the garden and collect new plants and do new experiments.
Eigenlijk kan je zeggen, dus met wat ze noemen PlanTU, dat jullie als idee hebben dat je een zaadje gaat zenden, eigenlijk een zaadje gaat zaaien voor de wetenschappers van de toekomst.